January 1, 1995. The North Sea is a graveyard of myths.
But today, the myth is real. At the Draupner oil platform, a laser sensor just recorded the impossible.
A single wave, 84 feet high, moving at 45 miles per hour.
According to the linear physics of the time, a wave this size should only happen once every 10,000 years.
For centuries, sailors who survived them were called liars.
For centuries, science said they were mathematically impossible. They were wrong. For centuries, science said they were mathematically impossible. They were wrong.
At this moment, it doesn't grow, it steals energy. And there is nowhere to hide. Compare the wave height to a 10-story apartment building.
A rogue wave strikes with a staggering 100 tons per square foot.
That is enough force to snap a reinforced steel hull like a dry toothpick.
It doesn't just hit a ship, it deletes it!
Sailors describe it as falling into a hole. Look up, and the ocean is no longer beneath you. It is a vertical cliff standing 100 feet above your bridge. They are born from constructive interference.
They are invisible on radar until the moment of impact.
1 second, the sea is manageable. The next, the sky is made of water.
Rogue waves thrive in Hell's Kitchens, places like the wild coast of South Africa.
Here, strong currents run head-on into massive swells. It's a physical meat grinder. When a wave hits a countercurrent, it shortens, steepens, and sucks energy like a liquid vampire.
New research suggests these waves follow the Schrödinger equation.
In the midnight zone of oceanic physics, waves behave like subatomic particles.
They steal height from their neighbors. The bigger they get, the faster they grow. In this environment, a ship isn't a vessel. It's a floating target.
If you are hit by a Three Sisters, the third sends you to the bottom in under 60 seconds. In 2001, in the South Atlantic, a 98-foot rogue wave struck the MS Bremen. It smashed the bridge windows.
Were 30 meters above the waterline.
For 2 hours, the ship drifted, a dead hunk of steel at the mercy of the abyss. At any given time, 10 rogue waves are roaming the Earth's oceans. We know they exist. We know they kill.
But we are still blind to their birth.
MS Munich in 1978, a vessel built to be unsinkable that left behind only a single, mangled lifeboat.
Beneath the chaos, the ocean is solving an equation. The ship doesn't break, it collapses from within. You don't get hit, you fall into it. not a wave. It's a wall falling from the sky.
This is where the ocean breaks its own rules.
Down here. You hear it fail before you see it. Then everything goes dark.
They are out there, and they are moving. You don't see it coming until it's already there.
Even the ocean can suddenly change direction. It only takes one breach.
Sometimes, the only thing left is proof.
It's not just waves. The ocean can open beneath you.
You never see the force, only what it does.
This is where rogue waves are born.
This was the moment. The myth became data.
The model didn't fail. Reality did.
They saw it first. It doesn't approach, it falls on you.
Energy doesn't spread. It concentrates.
Feeds before it strikes. 1 second, it's manageable. The next, the sky is water.
Even the deep can turn against itself. Small waves can become something much worse.
It doesn't rise, it falls.
It doesn't just rise, it consumes.
End doesn't come from outside. It starts here.
Under it, it becomes a ghost.
And then, nothing.
Down here, it all ends the same. Records exist, but they don't explain it.
Rogue waves are real.
And they don't follow the rules.
And sometimes, they just appear.
No warning.